what I'm going to share with you. I have never shared before. My own life experiences combined with my knowledge. Today I am very successful and leading a balanced life in all areas. But how I reached over here was not easy. So I have decided to help you, guide you, inspire you so that you reach your goals, lead extremely successful lives, fulfilling lives, and moreover, meaningful lives. It does not matter if you are a student, aspiring actor, a homemaker, or a CEO. My videos are surely going to help you. So, for this, I have created step-by-step tutorials on each and every topic which will lead you towards a healthy, successful, and meaningful life. I want your journey to be extremely joyful and peaceful. I want to give you the support which I did not get when I wanted. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. You can find the link in my bio, and also I keep putting the link in my swipe up stories. Be with me, keep watching as I watch you all grow. Thank you so much.